Hi, my name is Samantha Sontag. I'm interested in biology and evolution, figuring out why things are the way they are in the natural world. An interesting thing I've been looking into recently is just why plants are green, an actual explanation of why they are. In elementary school, we learn about the food chain and how everything stems from plants because they can just produce their own energy. They don't have to rely on someone else. In every plant leaf, there is a bunch of chlorophyll. And that chlorophyll captures sunlight like a tiny little magnifying glass to create sugars. Plants are green because chlorophyll is green. That doesn't exactly say why though. The sun produces a lot of energy, and it produces it in different wavelengths, some more than others. Chlorophyll, whose whole job is to absorb light, must be reflecting green light because there's less energy to be found in green light. Might as well just reflect that, because it has to be some color, right? So I looked at a solar irradiance map, and it's quite the opposite actually. The sun emits the most energy at around 500 nanometers, which is right around the blue-green wavelength. And that sparked more questions, because why would a plant want to reflect all of this potential energy? Wouldn't it be more efficient for plants to be, say, red or purple and absorb all of this energy? There's quite a lot of it. Why not use it? For a while, we didn't have an answer. We had theories, but nothing concrete. That is until one Nathanial Gabor and his team at the University of California released a study on this exact thing. Essentially, plants chose stability over efficiency. There is more energy to be found on the green wavelength, but that causes large fluctuations in energy production when light levels shift. If a plant absorbed just as much green light as any other wavelength, it would experience increased peaks of energy, but at the same baseline. It's like the difference between opening Discord in dark mode or flashbanging yourself at 2 a.m. One of those is a lot easier to adjust to.
Why did I do that?
The study tested a variety of species. An interesting species was a purple bacteria. It evolved to be purple because the light that filtered down to its habitat, majority of it, was purple. And so the most energy was in that wavelength and would have caused the most variation if it was absorbed. Whichever wavelength the sun emits the most energy in, or whichever wavelength the plant receives that has the most potential energy in it, is going to be the one the plant reflects. It's interesting to imagine what kind of plants would have evolved if our sun emit different amounts in different wavelengths. We could have had red forests or purple grasslands.